Kit Custer with the Easy Sales team, and I'm here to give you the tea on the condo. So this is how you're going to greet your guests as they walk in through the landing. And this is so great because you could be entertaining while they're in the living room. This kitchen is amazing. You've got quartz countertops, soft close cabinets. Everything is brand new from the top to the bottom. Having a half bathroom on the first floor is a must, but also this is one of the very few condos at Harbour that has an attached garage right off the kitchen and a finished basement. Off the bathroom, you've got this massive closet that you need to come to see it, as well as another linen, and double closets in both of these bedrooms, as well as a third bedroom upstairs. All the carpet is brand new, including in the basement, brand new carpeting. So this community is amazing. You've got a community pool, you have a basketball court, a playground. It has all the features that you could want in a condo, and it's maintenance-free living. So if you want to move into this condo and make this space yours, reach out to us today.